Insulin takes whatever's in your blood that you're not burning right now and puts it into fat for storage. Now, it can put it into subcutaneous fat, which is kind of benign fat. I mean, it will grow your, dress size, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's dangerous. Or it can put it into visceral fat, in which case, you'll grow your belt size, and that is very dangerous. Or it can put it in your liver fat, in which case you won't even see it in your dress size or your belt size, and it's extremely dangerous. So where that fat goes has everything to do with how dangerous it is. But insulin is the way it gets there. And insulin resistance is the phenomenon of insulin not working right because of the fat usually in your liver. So when your liver starts storing fat, your pancreas has to make more insulin to make the liver do its job. The pancreas drains directly into the liver in order to tell the liver what to do. So there are two portal systems in your body. Now, for our audience who don't know what that means, okay, everywhere in your body, blood goes like this: heart, aorta, artery, organ, vein, vena cava, heart. It passes through one organ on the way back to the heart. A portal system goes like this: heart, aorta, artery, organ 1, vein, organ 2, vein, inferior vena cava, heart. Passes through 2 organs to get back to the heart. And there's a reason, is because there's signaling that goes on at organ 1 to tell organ 2 what to do. And there are only 2 portal systems in the body. Here's one, hypothalamus pituitary, which I'm an expert in as a neuroendocrinologist, right? And the other is pancreas liver. The pancreas is telling the liver what to do. And when the liver is not doing what it's supposed to, the pancreas has to work harder to tell the liver what to do. When you get liver fat, your liver is not working right. When your liver is not working right, that's going to raise insulin levels all over the body, because the pancreas has to tell the liver what to do. It has to make more insulin to make the liver do the right thing. Well, that extra insulin all over the body is what's going to cause all of the chronic metabolic diseases that we know. Because insulin is not just the diabetes hormone. It's not just lowering blood glucose. It's also causing cell proliferation in places it shouldn't, like your coronary arteries, or in your breast tissue, or in your prostate, or in your brain. High insulin levels have been associated with virtually all chronic diseases and cancer and dementia. So insulin is good when it lowers your blood glucose and you're diabetic, and is bad for everything else. And so you want your insulin to be as low as possible and still do the job. Well, the way to get your insulin to be as low as possible and still do the job is to have a liver that works. And if your liver doesn't work, you're screwed. So what makes your liver not work? Fat in the liver. The goal is clear the fat out of the liver to make the liver work right so the pancreas can basically rest and do its job properly, lower levels of insulin all over the body, and prevent chronic metabolic disease.